If you want to play COD Mobile on your iPhone or iPad using a PS5 DualSense controller, here's the quickest way to set it up. Make sure your device is on iOS 14.5 or later. Then grab your PS5 controller and hold Create plus PS button until the light bar starts blinking. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and look for DualSense wireless controller. Tap to connect, and once it's paired, open Call of Duty Mobile. Head into Settings and then Controller. Turn on controller support. You can edit your button layout under Layout for custom aim, fire, and movement controls. Most gameplay works smoothly with DualSense, but you might still need touch for menus or loadouts. If it doesn't respond, toggle Bluetooth off and back on, or restart the game. After that, you're good to go. No extra apps, just native support and full control right from your PS5 controller. That's it. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.